Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Requirements during the installation of the ultrasonic machine 300H. 3-phase connection with proper earthing. 25 mmCB. 20 to 60 TDS water. Place the controller and connect wires. Add DM water 30 liters. Turn on controller and machine. Switch on heater. Set temperature. After reach temperature 40 degrees, add ultra powder and liquid. Water and chemical ratio is for 1 liter DM water, use 10 gram ultra powder and 10 milliliters ultra liquid. Add zig. Specially designed J-type hook rods for articles. Set timer and turn on process. Remove articles after process time completed. Water outlet available.